Hello student, in previous video I explained you about computer and the design of computer. In design of computer I explain you input unit, output unit, processing unit and storage unit. Now today I will discuss about input unit in detail. Input devices are those devices that is used to take data and information from the user. Input devices is used to stabilize connection or communication between user and computer. Means input devices work like a bridge between the user and computer. Now, types of input devices. First input device, keyboard. Keyboard is the most common input device that is used to take instruction in form of character and numbers. Keyboard works same as typewriter. जैसे typewriter work करता था उसी type से keyboard work करता है, but keyboard has many keys. For example, numeric keys, numeric keys means 0 to 9, then character keys means letters, A to Z, small a to Z, etc. Then symbols, at the rate, hyphen, plus, minus, all are known as typing keys. All are known as typing keys. Numeric keys, letters, symbols, all are known as typing keys. Now second key is function keys. First key, typing key, consists numeric keys means number 0 to 9. Second letter keys, capital A to Z and small a to Z, then symbols at the rate, plus, minus and etc. Now function keys, keyboard has function keys. Keyboard has total 12 function keys, F1 to F12, that is used to perform some special functions. Now next, arrow keys and control keys. First typing key, second function key, third arrow key and control keys. Arrow keys is used to move from left to right, from top to bottom, etc. Arrow keys are up, down, left and right. Control key is used to control the cursor on screen, and it is also used to open shortcut menu. I repeat, arrow keys is used to move cursor left, right, top and bottom. Control keys are used to control screen or to create shortcut. Control keys are control plus control, comma, alt, page up, page down, escape, etc. These are known as control keys. Now special purpose keys. 4 type special purpose keys that is used to perform some specific task. That is used to perform some specific task. For example, caps lock, next shift, enter, space bar, etc. These keys are used to perform some special tasks. For example, caps lock is used for toggle case. Toggle means to convert uppercase into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. I repeat, keyboard has many keys. First keys, typing keys that contain numeric, character, symbols keys, next keys, function keys that I already explained you, F1 to F12. Next, arrow keys and control keys. Arrow key is used to move cursor from left to right, from top to bottom, etc. Control keys are used to control screen or to create shortcut on screen. For example, control, alt, page up, page down, escape, etc. Fourth type, special purpose keys, that is used to perform some specific task, means some special task. For example, caps lock, shift, enter, space bar, etc. Next, types of keyboard. There are many types of keyboard available in market. Types of keyboards. First, normal keyboard. Normal keyboard has 104 or 108 keys. This type of keyboard connected to the CPU with or without wire. Means normal keyboard जो होते हैं उसमें 104 और 108 normally keys आती है जो CPU से वायर के थ्रू और विदाउट वायर मतलब कि ब्लूटूथ के थ्रू भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड, फ्लेक्सिबल और रोल अप कीबोर्ड. This type of keyboard made up of silicon material. इस टाइप की जो कीबोर्ड्स होते हैं वो सिलिकॉन मटेरियल के बने होते हैं. That is used for traveling purpose. ये किस लिए यूज होता है? ट्रैवलिंग पर्पस के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल एंड रोल अप कीबोर्ड, जिसको हम रोल कर सकते हैं. That's why flexible and roll up keyboard is mainly used for traveling purpose. Third, virtual keyboard. वर्चुअल कीबोर्ड that does not exist physically, जो physically exist नहीं होते हैं, उसके लिए एक पोर्टेबल डिवाइस होता है. Virtual keyboard contain portable device. When we on portable device, then the virtual keyboard means keyboard will be display on flat surface. मतलब कि वर्चुअल कीबोर्ड में एक पोर्टेबल डिवाइस होता है, जैसे ही हम उसको यूज करते हैं वो लेजर बीम के थ्रू, लेजर लाइट के थ्रू किसी भी फ्लैट सरफेस में हमें कीबोर्ड को डिस्प्ले कर देता है. आई रिपीट, virtual keyboard is made up of silicon material that consists portable device. When we on portable device, then the keyboard will be display on flat surface. इसके लिए हमें जो surface चाहिएगा वो flat surface होगा. That does not exist physically. ये physically exist नहीं होता है. Next, mouse. Next input device, mouse. Mouse is an pointing device. Mouse is an pointing input device that is used to point the pixel. What do you mean by pixel? A screen is divided into small dots. Screen is divided into small dots, and these dots are known as pixels. So mouse is a pointing device that is used to point the pixel. When we click on pixel or when we click on double click on pixel, then the specific program will be executed according to the pixel. Each and every pixel has some program, has some values, etc. Now, types of mouse. One more thing, mainly mouse has 3 buttons. First left, second right, and third middle. Left button is used to select any file and folder, and it is also used to open a file and folder. I repeat, left mouse button is used to select file and folder, and when we double click on file and folder using left button, then the file and folder will be open. Right mouse button is used to open shortcut menu. Right button of mouse is used to open shortcut menu, and middle button is used to scroll the screen from top to bottom and from bottom to top. First type of mouse, mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a ball at the bottom that is used to move cursor on a screen. Means mechanical mouse में आपके bottom में जो होती है वो एक ball होती है. When we move mouse on flat surface, then according to the ball, cursor will move on the screen. Second, optical mouse. Next mouse, optical mouse. Optical mouse use light to move cursor on the screen. Means optical mouse में बॉल नहीं होती, उसमें हम यूज करते हैं लेजर लाइट को, that is used to move cursor on the screen. Means अब जो कर्सर स्क्रीन पे मूव होगा वो लेजर लाइट के थ्रू मूव होगा. नेक्स्ट, इंफ्रारेड और रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी माउस. थर्ड, इंफ्रारेड और रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी cordless mouse. Infrared or radio frequency cordless mouse are wireless mouse that work according to the infrared. Just for example टीवी रिमोट, जैसे आपके टीवी का रिमोट वर्क करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंफ्रारेड रेज, उसी टाइप से इंफ्रारेड माउस भी वर्क करता है. नेक्स्ट, एन इंफ्रारेड और रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी कॉर्डलेस माउस मेनली यूज इन लैपटॉप एंड टैबलेट. Next, fourth, cordless 3D mouse. Fourth type, cordless 3D mouse. Cordless 3D mouse is used for gaming purpose. It is used for playing games. 3D mouse जो होता है वो सिर्फ इसमें गेम्स के लिए यूज होता है. इट हैज मैनी बटन्स, लेफ्ट, राइट, टॉप, बॉटम, मिडल बटन, एक्सेट्रा. दैट इज मेनली यूज फॉर गेमिंग पर्पज ओनली. नेक्स्ट, ट्रैक बॉल माउस. फिफ्थ टाइप, ट्रैक बॉल माउस. ट्रैक बॉल माउस that is used in laptops are known as trackball mouse. जो लैपटॉप में माउस होता है जिसको आप टच करके कर्सर को मूव करते हो, that is known as trackball mouse. Mainly it is used for laptops only. It is used for laptops only. Trackball mouse also used for playing games. Next input device, joystick. It is also a pointing device that is used to play games, and that is mainly used for CAD, computer aided designing. Computer aided designing is a software that is used by the engineer to draw a structure of the building and etc. So joystick is used for CAD and for playing games. Next, light pen. That is also known as stylus. It is a pen-like device that is used to click on object directly on a screen. Mainly it is used to draw a picture or to write something directly on the screen. स्क्रीन मीन्स अगर हमारे पास कुछ, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोबाइल्स में हम स्टाइलस यूज लेते हैं या स्मार्ट क्लास में हम स्टाइलस यूज लेते हैं. व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन ऑब्जेक्ट देन डायरेक्टली ऑपरेशन विल बी परफॉर्म. सेम एज मोबाइल में जैसे हमको कुछ लिखना है तो देन वी यूज लाइट पेन और स्टाइलस. ओके, थैंक यू.